Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Frigidaire brand refrigerator freezer and you're getting a DISP alarm or fault code on the display and you're wondering what this means and what do you need to do about it. So the DISP happens when, so if you're getting this error, that means you're gonna have an ice maker on your refrigerator freezer, and that's because this error is actually an error that pops up when an ice cube gets jammed or blocked in the ice chute, and so it can't operate properly. So all you need to do is, if you get this DISP alarm, is you need to just check the ice chute and just the whole kind of ice making to the dispenser system and make sure it's all cleared out. You might need to kind of break up and remove some stuck pieces of ice, and that will get rid of this this error. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.